Hello and welcome to this short unboxing and quick first impressions review of the Zoom H1N and the accessory pack, the H1N, which I purchased recently. There are some Amazon links in the description, which it comes in at £99 on Amazon at the moment. Although I got this particular setup from the website gear4music.com. Gear4music, 4 is the number 4. And where they were selling everything that you see in this video for £79. So everything that comes in the 2 boxes for £79. That was a delivered price. So excellent value. It took me quite a while to decide what sound recorder I was going to use. I needed it to cover quite a few bases, so a dedicated microphone was really out of the question, and I'm very pleased with my choice. I've been really pleased with the results so far, and just incidentally, all of the vocal audio, all of the voiceover in this video is recorded using an Alfgelt lavalier microphone, plugged straight into the Zoom, and then I've just mixed in the sound in post-production. There's been no adjustments to the sound or anything though. This is exactly as it came out of the Zoom. So if you like the sound quality of the voice in this, even though I've got a cold, hopefully that'll give you some reassurance as to the sound quality of the Zoom. So it's a great little thing. It's tiny. It really is very small. I know there are smaller sound recorders out there, but it's hard to get your head around. I'd seen lots of reviews about it, but still, when I took it out of the box for the first time, I was surprised just how small and light it felt. And the plastic feels quite thin, and it's worth noting that an awful lot of handling noise is carried through the body of the microphone and picked up. So you need to have some sort of either a wired in microphone attached to clothing, or have it set down on a table, or in like a shop mount or something like that, because any physical movements on the body of the Zoom you will pick up on the sound recording. So the Zoom itself just comes with quite a flimsy bag, which you saw just earlier in the video, and then in the accessory pack there's 6 items basically. So you've got the wall charger, so it's a 3-pin charger which has a normal size USB on one end, and then the 3-pin plug or 2-pin plug if you're in another country. Then you've got the foam windshield just here. Slight issue with the foam windshield in that it's quite stiff and quite difficult to get on, so you do panic a bit about tearing it. I haven't torn it, and it's doing a really great job, but you do need that foam protector on because the microphones are super sensitive. The other issue with the foam protector is you have to take it off and put it back on each time, because the recorder won't fit in the hard shell case with the foam protector on, with the the microphone foam cover. So that's a bit of a pain. So over time, it could you could damage the foam protector taking it on and off all the time. It's got this nice little Velcro bit where you can attach the case to a belt or whatever, as well as having like a handheld lanyard for it. And then you've got the mini tripod as well, which screws in nice and easily into the back of the Zoom, and then the legs extend a short amount as well, so you can if you're using it on a desk, it just helps bring it up towards your mouth height a little bit better. So I like it. It's a neat enough little thing, and I've just got it, as I'm doing this voiceover, I have it set down on the microphone, on the tripod, so it just reduces any handling. You really want to reduce physical handling of the Zoom unless you've got a separate microphone source plugged into it. If you're using it even with this mic stand here, any movement on the mic stand of your hand or anything will be transferred through the body of the Zoom. But it just shows you how they intend you to fit that mic stand adapter. And then it also comes with a USB cable to turn it into a USB microphone, and also for the charging, not charging, but for you to, not use the batteries. So that's it. End of the quick review, and I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.